Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential smart home security device that could change the way you protect your property. We found this product online and included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Let's talk about the wireless door window sensor. This intelligent contact sensor is designed to enhance your home security system by automatically detecting openings or intrusions at your doors and windows. With real-time notifications sent straight to your smartphone, you'll always be aware of any unauthorized access to your home, giving you peace of mind whether you're at home or away. Now, let's highlight some of the most important features that make this sensor stand out. First, its alert and smart security capabilities are impressive. The device instantly notifies you via an app on your smartphone when it detects that a door or window has been opened. This immediate alert system is crucial for ensuring your property remains secure at all times. The sensor is crafted from durable ABS material, making it suitable for various environments such as homes, classrooms, and commercial spaces. Its reliable performance and broad compatibility with existing security systems mean that it's an essential upgrade for anyone looking to reinforce their safety measures. Another significant advantage is its seamless smart home integration. Compatible with the 3.0 protocol, this sensor works effortlessly with hubs or devices that support built-in hubs. This means you can automate other smart devices like lights and cameras to respond when the sensor is triggered, creating a fully integrated security ecosystem in your home. Additionally, the companion app enhances the user experience by providing low battery reminders. This feature ensures that you never miss an alert due to a dead battery. Plus, the app keeps a detailed history log of every door and window event, allowing you to easily monitor activity and maintain security records over time. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free, which is another major plus. The lightweight sensor requires no drilling and can be easily set up using the included double-sided adhesive. It accommodates gaps of up to 10 mm wide, making it versatile enough to be used on various surfaces, including doors, cabinets, and more. Its compact size of 2.0 by 1.0 by 0.5 inches means it can fit seamlessly into any environment, be it your home, office, or shop. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a homeowner looking to enhance your security system, a business owner wanting to monitor access points, or even someone in a shared living space who wants to keep tabs on door and window activity, this sensor is a fantastic choice. It's also ideal for parents or caregivers who want an added layer of security in spaces where children or vulnerable individuals are present. In practical terms, imagine being at work and receiving an instant notification that a window has been opened at home. You could quickly check the app, view the activity log, and ensure everything is safe. Or, if you're out on vacation, you can rest easy knowing that you'll be alerted to any unexpected movements around your property. In conclusion, the wireless door window sensor is an excellent investment for anyone looking to boost their home security. With its smart features, reliable performance, and easy installation, it's a device that brings peace of mind to your everyday life. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.